Hello and welcome to Trade Apple Free by Chayton Falke Global Equity. This is August Bollinger. We're switching up to a new format, and the reason why is because my system generates trades automatically for me. Automatically does buy and sell prices. And over this little period here, I was trying to save a little face, and since this went down so much that I put a cover price somewhere around here, and of course it knocked out of the trade, and we went long, and then it went short. So we're just, it's just getting stupid. So, anyways, you'll see with this tool, there's some numbers that don't jive with what we've done, but it's the system, and I should just be repeating the system because it's more profitable that way. And you should always stick with your strategy. And so today's newsletter, I highlighted that. We lost 3% by me doing that. Whipsaw for loss. It's going to happen every now and again, which is true. But it'll happen no less if you just stick to the generated signals. So my system didn't actually make its generated cover price on December 4th. I picked a price on my own to come out with a small profit, and it has worked against me. This is evidence to always follow your strategy. I will start doing Trade Apple Free from my single stock tool to not only be held to the system, but to also offer you all access to the 3-day and 5-day signals as well. Okay, what that means is, I can't be making up compromise buy and sell prices, because it's going to say here this is all computer generated. So we've been in this trade for 10 days short. That's what it says. That's what it's been doing, and look, it's been greatly profitable. So that's basically what the buy and holders have lost. So it just goes to show you that the profits can be made, more profit can be made by trading in and out than buying and holding. All right, so here's our signals. This is what I tell you every day. We got a buy signal, okay, to cover. And we're going to cover if the price reaches $114.08. So 114.08 is the number, and it's 3.96% away. That's the proximity. That's how far it is away from happening. That's a big move in one day. I don't think it's going to happen. It can, but I don't think it's going to happen. So it'll make you feel better about being short when you get something that far away. Okay, so for the next 3 sessions, or my 3-day indicator, I have no signals. Okay, so that would be for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It would have this price, and you just have to jot it down on a piece of paper that if that price were to get hit for or within those 3 days, and that's working on the 3-day program. And then there's a 5-day as well, or weekly. We have a buy at $120.14. If it gets up there, that's almost 10% away. Can it do it in 5 days? Yeah, I think it can. Is it gonna? Well, I don't know. So anyways, we're going to stay short. We're going to go off the single day number. We're going to do that every day. I'm going to show you these, and I'll eventually program a log that will monitor this stuff, but it's just not done right now, so it's all right. It's whatever. Okay, and then I'll just pan down these stock metrics for you. If you want to see them, you can look at them. I did this week. I got that working. So if I put another ticker in here, it'll show that it's optionable or not. But here's some interesting facts. You can also get a lot of information up here, clicking that. And I mean, there's a bunch of stuff in here. It almost makes me wonder why I even made this down here, but whatever. Okay, so finally, let's check out this other tool I made this week. This is called the whale watch ratio, and when it passes this horizontal line, that's bearish, right? So here's a bear rally right here, and then here's a bull rally, and you can see that we, over this most recent time, have just gotten a little, well, it started out here to be less and less bullish, so that's given us a heads up. And then around these dates here, then we're flat out bear right here too. But you can see today it got a little less bearish. So yeah, that's that tool. We're in a bear mode, and we should stay in bear mode and just stay with the system. Okay, so my apologies for last couple trades, even though they're profitable, except for the last trade, which was not. But if you can see, back on this thing here, you can see that we've already made this back out of there. So it's gonna possibly happen quick for us if this doesn't turn out to be support. If that fails and we go down, then we're looking at $99, $100 in a price again. Fill that gap, and that'll be just peachy. We'll take it, and then possibly go right back up. So all right, anyways, everybody have a good weekend, and I will see you on, well, you'll hear from me on Monday. You might see me. I won't see you. Ciao.